That's real. Hey, Brandon.
Hey.
Yeah, gotta run through the racks with my man on my back. I fell in love with the motherfucking racks. I fell in love with the motherfucking stacks. The flag.
Like
That little darling.
hey. Hey. What'd you say? Give me the two-handed.
What is he sniffing? Oh, it smells familiar.
My God. This nigga just snorted, yo. Oh my God, this guy pulled up.
There was a whole strawberry I just inhaled.
La Chilia here. Man, we're in Utah, brother.
We're in Utah, brother.
Yeah, bro, it's Mormon country. We was in there like,
Oh, talking about hell. Oh,
he was like, where are you going? I was like, to hell if I don't break. State store to get liquor. Not so conservative, you can only buy. There's like 2 state liquor stores out here. We just made it to one. A wide selection, huh? What is fruit? I bought a box.
It's a bold, dark, and jammy. That's me. Bold, dark, and jammy.
Look at this.
Yeah.
What the heck?
It's a kitty cat.
Kalula, horchata. Looking for the good stuff. Oh, they got chichis. Chichis. Cabo Wabo. Whoa, that might be the one. Patron. It's now $55. They got the what? Damn, $50. A fancy. Oh, look at this. Look, I didn't even see you, big guy. This must be the special Hennessy. Oh, for All-Star Weekend. That's tight. They got the Dom Penguin. Douce. Might get that Douce. I'm not even gonna lie. Charge it for that Dom. Go charge it for that Dom. I know an Aki right now on the east side. They sell it for $30. Get a blizzard. It's a blizzard, brother. I can't forget my room key this time. Funny story. When we got here, the lady at the front desk was like, all right, so the lady at the front desk, right? Well, first of all, let me tell you, this is like the land of Caucasus. I'm talking Caucasia. Like, it's so white out here, bro. Like, literally, like, I'm like a flea in milk. It is crazy. It's crazy. I'm probably the darkest thing these people seen in probably like 300 years. We got here. They didn't have our reservation for some reason, and we were the only two. Me and my sister were the only two that didn't have the reservation. Long story short, they tried to book us at another hotel 30 minutes away from our team. Are you dumb? So my sister, she's a great arguer. Like, she will not take no for an answer, which is really good about her. She walked in there, right, in the front desk. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. She comes out with a luggage cart. They booked us 2 rooms. They just put it under my name. I'm like, man, they couldn't. They usually don't do that. Like, so Utah has been great. I had a great time so far. It's just so lit. I had more stuff for the vlog. Like, I was about to go snowboarding. They didn't pay the light bill. We gotta leave now? No, shut up. No, shut up. No, shut up. They turned the power. Is it a power outage right now? Yo, that's crazy. Can't forget the bottle. That's crazy. This is like American Horror Story. Just can't even use the elevator, fam. What? Crazy. crazy. We're gonna take the stairs, which is even creepier. Let me see if the team's outside. Yeah, it's the whole hotel. Oh, we're back. I think this is what they call a blizzard. All right.
No one volunteers.
They're gonna do mandatory.
And
I wanna leave.
do you think it was like more of a brand?
Why are you so raggedy? The front desk is right there.
Get in.
Nope, nope,
No,
nope.
get in.
Don't trust you.
Get in here. Get in here. DJ, get your ass in here.
This guy's crazy. This is like Peter Parker, bro. Show me this.
I hate the song that's playing, but
Oh my God.
All the way down
no.
to the other end of the hallway. I'm gonna put my sport mode on.
Whoa! Let's have a shot. And then
Yeah,
we
you
go
gotta come off from this nigga.
You know.
Come on.
Damn. That was a fatty. Stairs.
Arch never seen.
I hate this nigga.
Yeah. And then that's how I know I was like, oh, you're overdosing off alcohol. I was like, oh shit, that's bad.
What am I doing?
Gosh, your heart. Oh.
Ah. Oh, Lord, Jesse made another one. Hey. Hey, I destroyed the exit sign, huh?
Oh.
Ah.
Yeah.
DJ, it's crunchy.
There's deer tracks.
I'll make a snowman.
I like bow ties anyway, nigga. You nerd.
I sit over there.
Views.
Right. This place called Moochie's.
It's gonna be Christmas. So much snow. Oof.